The comeback that you've all been waiting for. We are back, bigger and better. How much better, you asking? Let me show you. So, remember the 7 to 10 working days production that we originally had? Well, forget that. With our new and improved launch model, you are able to get your hands on our latest collections within 1 to 2 days. No more stress, no more just-in-time deliveries. All you have to do is sign up to our waiting list. I'm excited to announce our brand new studio. We've managed to secure a partnership with one of Wales' most cutting-edge factories, experts in producing the highest quality festival wear, keeping things proudly handmade in the UK. With more of a focus on sustainability and ethical practices, we at Suxceed Women's are doing our part in the fashion industry. Now let me introduce to you our new Suxceed Women's team. I'll be working alongside Safi, first-class degree fashion designer, making sure each one of your collections is to die for. Caitlin will be your point of contact for all things marketing and social. She's a big drum and bass head and loves the lifestyle, so she knows exactly what you girls are going to want. Our amazing Welsh ladies will be handcrafting every single piece of your outfits, keeping to our high standard UK manufacturing. And then there's me, Vinny. My 8-year journey with the brand has opened up an opportunity for us to be the leaders in a more sustainable and ethical way of producing your festival outfits. Our mission is to serve all of you, our rave community around the world, the most transformative and exclusive festival wear outfits on the market.